In this video, we show you the easiest way to re-glue your battery after removal. Hi, I'm Annika from iDoc. Great to have you tuning in. Depending on the repair, you may not only have to reattach your back cover or your screen, but also have to re-glue the removed battery. The remaining glue on the battery's back is not always strong enough for this. In this video, we show you the easiest way to glue your battery back in place. Have fun! If you install a new replacement battery after your repair, you do not have to remove the adhesive residue on the back of the old battery. However, you should remove larger glue residues on the bottom of the screen unit or back cover. Simply nibble them off with your finger. You can use tweezers or a spotter as well. Optionally, you can also remove larger lumps of adhesive by wiping them with a cloth soaked in cleaning alcohol. However, make sure that not too much moisture gets into the device. Small glue residues may simply be left. They are not a big deal. If you order from us, you will already receive your replacement battery with the appropriate adhesive strips. Often, these are already integrated on the back of the battery, so that you only have to remove the protective film. If you want to reinstall the same battery after the repair, you should take a closer look at its back. If the adhesive residues on the back form lumps but are otherwise still intact, you can try to press them smooth with a battery spotter, for example. Also smooth wrinkles on the back of the battery. If the lumps and wrinkles are gone, you can press the battery into the casing unit with the old adhesive. If the lumps and wrinkles cannot be smoothed out, or if there is too little glue left, you should remove the remaining adhesive completely and apply new adhesive strips to the back of the battery. Otherwise, you risk that the battery sits too high or too loosely in the device. In the worst case, it can then even inflate or overheat. Before applying new adhesive strips, you should remove the old adhesive residues from the back of the battery and the bottom of the case. It's okay if some glue remains. The most important thing is that the thicker parts are removed. To attach the old battery, you can either order separate adhesive strips or use our universal adhesive strips. Many users also use thin, double-sided adhesive tape, but we do not have any experience with how this tape behaves under heat. Apple is one of the smartphone manufacturers that attach their batteries with removable adhesive strips. This eliminates the problem of adhesive residue in the case and on the battery's back. The strips can be easily pulled out from under the battery, which not only makes removing the battery easier and safer, but also leaves almost no adhesive residues. You usually don't have to remove any glue residue from the back of the battery as well. If you apply new removable adhesive strips to your battery, you should make sure that their tabs are attached to the top of the battery. I hope you enjoyed our video and found it helpful. If so, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Good luck with gluing your battery! Have you already seen our video on how to seal your smartphone properly? You can find the link in the info box below. See you next time! You can find high-quality tools, spare parts and accessories for your smartphone repair in our store. iDoc. Everything for your smartphone. Find more helpful videos here. See you next time!